If you're carrying massive credit card debt, this video's for you. I recently went on a quick trip to New York City and I got an Uber ride to the airport, and it was probably one of the most epic Uber rides I've ever had because the gentleman asked me if I spoke Spanish and I said, of course I am. I'm Latino. I'm Mexican American.
Sensational.
And he asked me, what do you do for a living? And I told him I'm a YouTuber. I teach finance and tips and credit. And he says, oh man, he's like, I have a serious question to ask you.
Oh, say less.
Are debt consolidation companies real? Because I got about $15,000 worth of credit card debt.
Jesus Christ.
Trying to get them to actually lower it and have me make a lower payment. I immediately answered with no, they are 100% a scam, because what they're going to do is they're going to tell you to default on that credit card. Because let's say, for instance, you've had that credit card for 6 years, 10 years, and you have amazing payment history, but you're just drowning in debt because the credit card interest is hurting you. Don't fall for the trick. You can call your credit card company and ask them to lower the interest rate, or you can ask them to put you on some type of payment program because you're going through a financial hardship. Now, one or two things is going to happen when you call the credit card company. You tell them this. They may potentially close the credit card, but that's fine. Understand that. That is better than getting a bunch of late payments and the credit card charging off, and then you're paying this debt consolidation company all this money to do this for you. And the debt consolidation company is not going to tell you that you can, in fact, still be sued. They're not going to protect you or your rights. So if you talk to the credit card company, they may close it, or they may close the card temporarily until you get out of debt. Or they can give you the option to lower the interest rates and put you on a better payment program. But of course, still closing the credit card only temporarily. Understand that part. But if you have already defaulted on the credit card, you can call the credit card company and ask them to negotiate the debt. But understand something. This is not going to fix your credit score or any issues with the credit card company. You're just going to settle the debt for a lower amount and your credit is still going to be destroyed.
Come on, man.
Unless the credit card company agrees to delete it from your credit report completely, that's the only thing that's going to help you. And only American Express and Chase will do that. Nobody else will do. And Chase and American Express are starting to pull back from that. And we are also seeing an unprecedented amount of lawsuits against people with credit card debt because they just stopped paying the credit cards. Do not, and I repeat, do not be afraid to reach out to the credit card company and tell them about your financial situation to get you on a better financial track of paying down that debt and then getting yourself out of debt and keeping your credit score in good shape. Make sure to follow or subscribe for more ways to increase your credit score.